Mr. Jack.
Heard you were short on tuition money. Want to make a buck?
Screw you! What's going on in here? What are you doing with my tuition money? I worked my ass off for that. What is he doing back here?
Well, it's good to see you too, sis. How long has it been? 5 years?
I'm gonna pay you back, Amelia. I promise. Mommy's gotta pay the bills.
No, Mom. Mom, are you using it again? You look terrible.
The money's for me, sis.
Don't call me that, Trevor. You destroyed this family by getting involved with those criminals. Being your sister is the worst thing that's ever happened to me.
Okay, I promise it's gonna be different this time, okay? Amelia, I just need the money as a deposit for a job. This should clear things up.
What the hell is this?
The job for you to make more money. Your new identity is Amy Clark, an overachieving graduate who has an interview at the Greer Corp tomorrow. I'm gonna need you to do a few more things.
Which is?
I need you to seduce the CEO, Noah Greer.
Are you serious? You want me to commit fraud? I'm not doing that.
Listen, sis, the people I'm involved with are dangerous. They're threatening to kill Mom. You don't really want to be responsible for your mother's death, do you?
Hey, what do you want, Dad? I'm a little busy right now.
There's no easy way to say this, Noah. You're fired as CEO of Greer Corporation, effective immediately.
You're joking, right?
Until you can find a wife, you'll be working around here as an office assistant.
What? No, Dad, look, you just haven't given me enough time to find the right girl.
You've already had plenty of time. My decision is final.
You're okay, Amelia. Just get the job, flirt with the CEO, and it'll be over before you know it. Hi. Here for my interview?
Excuse me, would you happen to know where logistics is?
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. Look, it's my fault.
Wow. He's got the perfect cheekbones and jawline. Hey. You're gonna be okay. You were in a car accident. Just relax. Somebody help!
Thank you. I'm sorry, have we met before? You look so familiar.
Amy Clark?
Sorry, I have to go. Hi. I'm Amy Clark.
What are you, some kind of Amish influencer?
No, sir. I grew up in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, but
I'm not seeing anything that really isn't our line of business here, so.
Well, I think that I could help increase visibility.
It's kind of not a farmer's market, so I'm not sure it's gonna work out for you.
Hey, Bob. Let me ask you something. Who's that girl getting interviewed in Hill's office?
Yeah, that would be Amy Clark.
Now, for some reason, I thought her name was Amelia. Look, never mind. Just, do me a favor.
What the hell, Trevor? Who is he?
Did you get the job?
I don't think so.
Well, you better figure it out, Amelia. Because this guy Baron just told me if we fail, he's gonna chop Mom into pieces.
Yes!
It's not the infamous CEO Noah Greer. Hey, sir, I've got a package for you right here. How's the business going? Should I be buying or selling these days?
Noah Greer? Where is he? Mr. Matthews, I just wanted to thank you for the opportunity.
Look, Amy, we got a corporate-wide party coming up here. Let's say a 28-year anniversary. Mr. Greer has requested a brand new suit. It's got to look amazing. And also, he wants to rent out a really nice mansion for this thing. So, your budget for this bad boy, $50K.
$50K? I mean, I think all of this would cost at least $200K.
I don't know what to do with that, okay? This is your job. Figure it out. Don't look at me like that. Take it. Go. I got stuff to do.
Wow. Looks like someone got a large paycheck on their first day.
Yeah, I wish. That CEO, Noah Greer, such a pain in the ass.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I know exactly what you mean. Well, whatever problem you have with Noah Greer, you can leave it to me.
I'm Amy. What's your name?
You can, call me Christian.
Do you mind finding a suit for him? I just want to look around a little bit.
Yeah, no, of course.
Look what the cat dragged in. The dollar store's around the corner, hon.
I can afford this just fine.
Really?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on. She can have whatever she wants.
Excuse me, who? Mr. Greer? Hi! Oh my god, if I knew you were coming today, I would have...
Wait. Mr. Greer?
This is my boss's card. No, see, Felix here just always mistakes me for the big shot. Isn't that right, Felix?
Sorry, Mr. Sir, my mistake. I'll pack these up for you.
Great. So, you see anything you like?
What is all of this crap, huh? How you gonna afford the mansion with this?
I'll deliver. You are literally a lifesaver. Now I just need to find a mansion for $50K.
Oh, well, ask and you shall receive.
Are you sure your boss isn't here?
No, don't worry. He's on a business trip to Europe.
I see. Is there anything that I should know about him?
What can I say? He's pain in the ass. Boring, but hey, he is loaded. You know, nothing gets the heart pumping like the thrill of stealing. Wouldn't you agree? So, want to be my accomplice?
Sure. You know, I can't help but think everyone has always treated me like garbage. Except for you today.
Wow. That's the best compliment I've gotten in ages. You know, you remind me of someone.
Yeah? Who?
Someone who saved my life a few years ago. So now that you have $50,000, how do you want to spend it?
I had this dream once.
Amelia. Amelia.
Wait, what did he just say? Shit. Christian, you have to wake up. There's someone at the door.
What's going on?
I don't know. It's not your boss, right?
No. Yeah, how can I help you?
Hey, I have a letter for Noah Christian Greer.
Yep, that's me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're Noah Greer?
Amy, please, just let me explain.
You know what? You had plenty of time to tell me that you were CEO. And yet you chose to lie to me.
Well, I'm actually not CEO anymore. Look, my dad's being a total dick and won't give me my job back until I marry someone.
Well, that sucks for you, I guess.
Amy, please, don't go. Look, I don't want this to change how we felt last night. Why don't we just have a nice long spa day and I can take you to a romantic dinner after?
Hello?
Is everything okay?
Let's go to the hospital.
Put the phone down.
How is she, Doc?
She's stable for now, but we're out of capacity today. She has to be transferred to a nearby clinic.
I just sent the $50K that I have to the insurance company, like 60 seconds ago.
Records show that you are $250,000 overdue. We just can't be...
She could die!
She's staying.
Her medical bills are paid for. And get her to a better room, for crying out loud.
Yes, understood, Mr. Greer.
Why are you here? Why are you here?
Well, I'm one of the shareholders of this hospital, so I just want to make sure your mom gets the best treatment possible.
I'll pay you back. I promise.
Amy, just wait up. I want to apologize for lying to you. Okay, I was just having some fun.
Yeah, well, we had fun, but that's over now, so excuse me.
No. Last night was not a game. You know it too. Listen, Amy, I actually really like you, like, a lot.
Mom?
She's coding you down. Probably are.
Hey,
Mom?
he's gonna...
Mom, please don't leave me.
She'll be okay.
Trevor, Mom's in the ICU.
I'm sure they can save her. You got the job at Greer Corp, right?
Yes, I did, but Trevor...
Marry Noah Greer. That's your next objective. Or the mobs are gonna kill Mom before her addiction does.
Don't worry. Look, I have the best doctor in the world taking care of her right now. She'll be fine.
I don't know what I'm gonna do, okay? I don't want to be alone.
No, hey. You're not gonna be alone. Because I'm gonna be right by your side every step of the way.
No. I mean, you've already done enough. It's my turn. What if I marry you? What if I marry you?
Whoa. Where did all that come from?
You want to be the CEO, right? So, we can make a trade.
I mean, I do want my job back. No, you really don't have to. Look, I just wanted to pay for the bills just to, apologize for what I did.
No, it's the least that I can do. I insist.
Okay. Let's get married.
She's stable again for now. We're going to keep her at ICU just to be safe.
Okay, can I see her now?
Your mother needs some rest. I suggest that you come back tomorrow. We'll be watching her throughout the night.
Thank you, doctor.
Hey, that's good news, right? And I guess that leaves us time to get married.
Hi. Good morning. Here for a marriage certificate?
We are.
All right, cool. First thing, I just need your signatures.
Okay.
This is the big day.
Monday.
Just get my... All right. Y'all are married. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. So, Mrs. Greer, I want to give you the perfect wedding. I'm talking about a beautiful wedding dress, a boatload of champagne, and a big old diamond ring. I owe you. Seriously.
I think we're even. This is what you wanted, right? I hope you're happy.
Not so fast. There is a merger and acquisition deal going on for the Greer Corp. We need you to change that to a complete buyout.
Jesus, this never ends! What have you gotten me into, Trevor?
You are the CEO's wife now. Figure it out. Our family's fucked.
You know, you keep threatening our family, but I'm starting to think you're just protecting yourself.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt me if I were you.
There. You win. Happy now?
Well, congratulations, son. Who's the bride?
That doesn't matter. Okay, I got married. I want my job back.
This kid. Find out who this Amy girl is. I want to know everything about her.
Right away, sir.
Ah, glad you guys can make it. All right. Mr. Matthews, I heard your team is in charge of finding the venue.
Mm-hmm.
How's that coming along?
It's come along very well, thank you. I think I found the perfect location.
Oh, wow. These are quite beautiful. And, you found these. Is that correct?
Yes, I did, sir, by myself.
Seriously?
That's strange because I don't recall giving you permission to use my house as a venue.
Amy, oh my goodness, how could you steal pictures of Mr. Greer's house? Mr. Greer, I am so sorry. She's new, obviously, and it would, if you could please just forgive her.
But I thought you said that you're the one that found it, and not my wife.
Well, I think what I'm doing is taking one for the team, as it were. And sorry, did you say wife?
Well, since you're such a team player, why don't you take this one for the team? You're fired, Hill Matthews.
Oh.
Effective immediately.
Okay, Mr. Greer, hold on a second. Let me explain to you why this happened.
What are you doing here? You can leave now.
Fine.
All right, now that that's taken care of, I'd like to officially announce that me and Amy Clark here are getting married. Okay. Also on that note, we are also changing the theme of the party to a wedding. Everyone here is invited. All right, I'll see you then.
I cannot believe that you just fired my boss like that.
Well, that asshole had it coming. And I have to do right by my wife. So, I was thinking, since you don't have a boss anymore, how'd you like to be my new secretary?
Now that is an interesting proposition, Mr. Greer.
Well, you get triple the salary, exclusive health benefits, company car, a few other things too.
I can't wait for those benefits to kick in.
Noah, you in there?
That's my dad. Just hide. One sec. Come in.
I heard your wife works here now. I'd like to meet her.
Yeah, of course. Well, obviously she's busy right now. Yeah, Dad, I'm really busy right now myself, so why don't you, excuse me, please?
All right. But I expect to meet her soon. Noah, I mean it. Son, I know it may not seem like it, but I want you to succeed.
He's gone.
That was close.
Actually, it wasn't close enough. You're up early.
Come on. We have to go dress shopping. I've been so busy these past couple days, I literally haven't had time to even think about what I'm wearing for my wedding.
Relax. I got it covered. Voila.
Oh my God.
You deserve the best from me.
Noah, you never cease to amaze me. Trevor?
Amy. What's wrong? Looks like you just saw a ghost.
No, I'm fine. I'm perfect.
Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Greer. Where are my manners? We haven't met yet. I'm Trevor Anderson.
Your name doesn't ring a bell. Mind if I ask who you're with?
I'm with Holland Limited, Mr. Greer.
Oh, I thought I invited the CEO.
Mr. Kavanagh could not make it. His $1 million Mazdiff got parvo, so he's been at the vet all week trying to save his investment. So, I will be taking over the merger and acquisitions deal from this point forward.
That's the first time I'm hearing about that. All right, well, I guess we'll talk about it at our meeting, Mr. Anderson.
Yes, you will. Yes, you will.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, and congratulations again.
What the hell are you doing here?
I'm checking out your lavish lifestyle, Amelia, while your brother and your mother rot away in a shithole.
What are you trying to say?
You are my one and only sister. We are family. Could you imagine if we had all this money?
Enough. Trevor, get the hell out of here.
Amelia, you're tearing me apart here.
Hey! Get your hands off my wife.
Oh. Amelia, you're tearing me apart here.
Hey! Get your hands off my wife.
Oh. Relax, Mr. Greer. I was just telling your wife how lucky she is to have a wonderful, successful husband like you.
Okay, Mr. Anderson, why don't we draw a line between business and personal affairs, huh?
I would love to. Mr. Greer, I'll be seeing you on Monday.
You okay?
I'm fine. I think he was just teasing.
How do you two know each other again?
Shit, does he know?
Mr. Greer, your father would like to see you.
All right. I'll be back.
$5 million of company money on a wedding? Are you serious?
Is this your way of congratulating me?
Don't toy with me, boy.
Don't forget you're the one who asked for this. Besides, that's like 1/10 of what you spent golfing with your mistress. Remember that? I remember because that's all you did when I had my accident 3 years ago.
You barely know her. Her family could be drowning in debt. She could be a gold digger.
Don't talk about my wife like that. Maybe you didn't love yours, but that gives you no right to talk about mine.
I'm so sorry I lied to you, Noah.
Yes, they're married now.
Trevor, stop.
What's wrong, sis?
I can't do this. It's not right. I can't do it anymore.
You are kidding, right? I really, really wish you didn't say that.
Amelia, I heard everything. And now as a warning, I'm forced to do this.
What is Mom doing back at the house?
Scream.
Oh my God. monster.
Puny little bitch. Save your strength. You need to learn some manners. Next time, it's your fucking throat.
Oh, Mom. Mom, get up! We're taking you to the hospital. Look at what you did, Amelia. If it weren't for you, Mom wouldn't be in this state.
Trevor, you are my only brother. I mean, you should be the man of this family. All you do is wreak havoc on us.
I told you this would happen. Do not pin this on me.
Amelia.
Mom, you're weak.
Any information on this Amy Clark?
There is an Amy Clark reported missing in the area.
Dig deeper. Be quick about it.
I'm so sorry for everything.
Next time, try to do what your brother asks, okay? I've been through enough.
Come on, pick up. Where the hell did she go?
Mom, I have to get back to the wedding. But I'm so sorry.
Go, Amelia. You're my only hope.
God, I'm gonna fucking kill Trevor someday. I swear to God.
Really, really good job out there today, man. That is for you. And, hey, if the actor gig doesn't pan out well for you, you can always come work for me. All right. Oh, yeah!
Hey, babe.
Hey.
I missed you so much.
Me too.
Hey, Neo, have you seen Amy?
Haven't seen her since the reception.
Oh wait, I found her. Hey, where'd you go? I was looking for you everywhere.
Sorry, my mom's sick. I had to go check on her and get her some medicine.
Oh. Here, there's it's like a $500,000 limit per month on this card, but I can move some money around if you need.
Do you think that I'm a gold digger or something?
No, look, hey, I was just trying to help. Hey, I'm sorry. It's okay. Amy, just tell me what to do.
Sorry, I have a lot going on right now, and I can't do this.
Hey, it's okay. Look, whatever problem you have, we can figure it out together. Okay? So, is your mom okay?
She's fine. For now. Thank you for asking.
Good. So why don't we just lay down and watch some TV?
I want to be the big spoon.
Oh, you can try, but you won't succeed.
Okay, Amelia. Let's just hope this one pans out.
You're doing great.
These numbers are not looking good, Mr. Greer.
What do you mean?
Your company has been losing money for the past 3 years. A lot of money.
What? No, that can't be right. Amy? Is this true?
This is coming from the accounting department.
Yeah, no, this isn't good. With this new information, we'll have to change a proposition to a buyout. With this new information, we'll have to change a proposition to a buyout.
What? Hell no! No, that's not part of the deal.
$3 billion for a buyout. That's our best offer.
Our company's worth at least 10.
Not according to your internal documents. No one wants to merge with a failing business.
Hold on. Let me go talk to accounting and we'll have this meeting later, alright?
My offer is good for 1 week, Mr. Greer, but I would make a decision before that, or else your secretary of a wife might leave you when she figures out you don't have any money.
The hell did you just say? The hell did you just say?
Guys, stop. Not in the office. Come on.
Got a temper, huh?
Get lost.
I hope your answer is different next time, Mr. Greer.
Why don't you send your boss to me next time, huh?
Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Oh, and next time, you better check your manners, or else I'll have to be offering you less money.
Yeah, fuck off! Piece of shit. Who gave you these?
Stephanie. From accounting.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go pay them a visit, and I just might fire the whole damn department.
Wait. Shit. Should I tell him? No, I can't. It's my family's lives on the line. If it was Stephanie, can you just go easy on her, please?
I'm gonna do what's best for everyone.
I need to see you.
So, you still haven't convinced Noah that his company is tanking.
You have to stop. You're gonna hurt a lot of innocent people.
Oh, so Amelia Anderson is a saint now. You do realize you're not gonna be married to him forever, right? Once the clock runs out, you're gonna go back to a nobody waitress who doesn't have any money.
Whatever. Jesus.
See you around, sis.
Oh, by the way, where's your little boy toy? You know, the muscle man, Baron? Doesn't he just love to follow you around?
Yeah, it's his day off. Why, do you miss him? You know, maybe I should have him marry you next time so we can knock some fucking sense into you.
Keep it down.
Get ready.
Hey. So, did you figure it out?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, it was Stephanie. You're right. Apparently she just typed some numbers in wrong on the Excel spreadsheet. But, hey, I totally get it. You know, Excel can drive someone crazy. That's why I pay someone to do it.
Thought it was my fault for a second.
No, come on. I also wanted to apologize for, questioning you the other day.
It's okay. It's all water under the bridge. Stephanie, what's wrong?
Noah fired me.
What? I can't believe this. What did he say?
Well, he came in here and he asked what happened.
And then he sent me packing. I've worked here for 10 years. I have a baby to feed.
Okay. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix this right now. Okay?
Hey, you. Is something wrong?
You fired Stephanie? And she's been with the company for 10 years. That kind of loyalty should mean something.
And it does. But look, her mistake could have cost us billions.
Yeah, but everything worked out. You know, you don't have to be such a heartless tyrant.
Look, I'm trying to run a company here, not a freaking charity. Amy, where are you going? Amy, where are you going? Amy, wait.
You know, some people just get everything handed to them, and some people have to work their asses off for everything.
Oh, real nice. What are you implying, I'm spoiled now?
Maybe I should just come clean. I can't let Stephanie lose her job because of something I did.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. I don't have the right to say anything, especially when...
Okay. You know what, you're right. I think I was being too harsh. She can have her job back.
Wait, really?
But if she fucks up one more time, she's gone. Okay?
You're the best.
Sheesh. That was close.
All right, so what do you want to do for dinner?
Sushi? I've been dying for some.
I think I can do that.
Okay. I didn't know you were gonna make it yourself.
Oh, well, you deserve the best.
Shoot.
Mm.
Let me get a Band-Aid. You're gonna be fine.
Amelia? Is that you?
You're gonna be fine.
Amelia? Is that you?
Hello? Paging Mr. Greer?
Yeah. No. Thank you. You're a lifesaver.
Well, do I get a reward?
But what about the sashimi?
It can wait.
Yeah. You can.
Mr. Greer, sorry to disturb you.
Leo, what brings you in?
Well, it's come to your father's attention that Amy might not be who she claims she is.
What are you talking about?
I think we should get the police involved.
What could you possibly have on her? Leo, you can't just walk in here with no evidence. You know, I could have you fired for defamation.
This is Amy Clark. You're being fooled, sir.
Who? Where is she?
Shit. Oh, no.
No, I have to see for myself.
Who's there?
Amy. What happened? You okay?
I think I hit my head.
Let me see.
If you're still putting on a show, whoever you are, you might want to think of an exit strategy.
Hey, don't talk about my wife like that.
I have the real Emily Clark here with me. Care to see what she looks like?
Emily, what the hell is she doing here?
There's my imposter. I've been looking for my wallet all over. How dare you steal my shit?
Back up. Who do you think you are, throwing around accusations like that?
You can take my ID, but not my mole. Get her ID. Check if there's a mole on the photo.
I can kind of see it.
See? It's right there.
That doesn't prove anything. So blurry.
You don't have it, do you? Just stop pretending.
Hold on a sec.
What are you doing, perv?
It's fake. You are a terrible liar. Neil, get this bitch out of here.
Mr. Greer, I am so sorry. It has to be a terrible mistake.
An apology isn't gonna cut it. Get the fuck out! I don't want to see you.
Amelia, how long are you going to keep up your lies? Where is this going to go?
Amy.
I don't want to talk about it.
I don't either. Why don't we go on a vacation? Forget about the whole thing. Just you and me, 5-star hotel, anywhere in the world.
You can't just bribe me, Noah. I'm going to work.
Why the fuck are you investigating Amy?
Good morning to you too, son. Forget to use mouthwash today?
Are you trying to destroy my marriage?
I had my reasons to believe that Amy Clark wasn't who she appeared to be.
You know, right when I start to finally feel happy again, you just have to find some way to ruin it. Don't you?
I did this for you, Noah.
That's bullshit.
You're the CEO of a major corporation. You have $1 billion company to run.
You know what, Dad? Fuck you! Okay, you don't get to start being the parent now. You weren't there for me growing up. You weren't around when I was in that car accident, and you sure as shit don't care about me now. All you care about is your fucking company. And honestly, Dad, it makes me feel sorry for you.
You. Again.
Good show you put on out there. I think Noah really bought it.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You're gonna do something for me. Plug this in the laptop in the server room for 10 seconds before pulling it out. Easy.
What is that? Why would I help you?
Do it. Or your mother might lose another finger. And your brother.
God, what am I doing? I'm sorry, Noah. You probably won't forgive me, but I had to.
Thank you. Is everything set with our clients?
Everything's set.
Mr. Greer, our stock prices are dropping by half. Somehow, our competitor got our client list and is making them cancel their contracts.
Well, how the hell did this happen?
I think a server hack.
I'll look into it.
Oh shit, this is not good.
What the hell are you doing to this company, son?
I'm trying to fix it!
NASDAQ just called. Our stock price is now at $0. They want to delist us.
I knew it. You're an incompetent sack of shit. Maybe this bitch has something to do with your failure, huh?
Don't you fucking talk about my wife like that!
Stop. Please.
Is that all you got, son? Punching your old man and tanking $1 billion family business?
No, I got a shit company to begin with because you were too busy fucking whores on your private jets!
Typical Noah. Blaming his father's personal life for everything that's wrong with him.
All right. That's enough. It was me.
What do you mean?
My name isn't Amy. I've been lying to you this whole time.
I knew it.
My real name is Amelia Anderson. Trevor is my brother. That woman that Neo brought to the house, that's Emily, Trevor's ex-girlfriend.
Could it be her? The one who saved me? Now she's destroying everything I have. So what, you guys were in on this together the whole time?
No, I was forced to do this, okay? No, I never wanted to lie to you.
You asked me to marry you! For what? Just to get close to me and tank my company?
Trevor is involved with some really, really bad people. They threaten my family's lives.
It's enough. Get out.
No, please. I love you. I wasn't lying about that.
Go!
Are you deaf? Leave.
Amelia! I'll send the divorce papers to your house. I'll never want to see you again.
It's okay, son.
Aww.
What are you doing?
Well, sis.
I don't understand. You two are back together?
Newsflash, we have been together for a couple months now, actually. Yeah.
Want to drop some more bombs on her, babe?
Isn't she, like, in the mafia or something?
Oh. Yeah, about that. There is no mafia. It was a scheme, or an act, if you will, to make you believe that there was one.
But Baron...
Also a paid actor. Well, an amateur actor, but I think he has what it takes, don't you? No? Oh, big sis dropping F-bombs now. Come on, don't tell me you actually loved him.
I'm gonna fucking kill you. You're a fucking monster, Trevor. You cut off Mom's finger just for some fucking money?
It is not just some money. When Noah sells his company, I'm going to get $100 million from it.
You're pathetic.
I see what this is. Look, here is all of your compensation for all the hard work you've done. Oh, and by the way, Mom sold the place, so you better get the fuck out. Come on, babe, let's go get some blow.
By the way, I know what you did.
Yeah? And what's that?
Amelia told me everything.
Yes. My sister. She did have a rough one. Too bad she's all beauty with no brains to back it up.
Let me ask you something, Trevor. Do you really think you can get away with this?
I'm too good of a con man. I just stole your business from right under your nose and you didn't even see it coming.
Well, I hope you don't get too comfortable, because I'm coming for you.
Yeah? Well, you better have something solid on me, because I'll be sipping martinis in Tahiti while you'll be begging Daddy for money. Oh, somebody's getting restless.
You listen to me. You are a dead man.
Yeah? I wouldn't worry too much about me. What I would worry about if I were you is not falling for bitches who spread their legs too easily for you.
You like being the punching bag, Trevor?
It's better than being the lick.
Mr. Greer, let's go.
We're lucky. Amelia, You, working on another scheme?
I deserve this. I know I do. I'm flat broke, I don't have a home, and I'm caring for my mother who has a drug addiction.
I'm glad you acknowledge your fate.
If you're here to mock me, I get it.
Jose!
Doesn't matter, let's go. Hey, you're gonna be okay. You were in a car accident. Just relax. Somebody help!
Amelia! Hey. Do you remember saving somebody like 3 years ago in a car accident?
Of course.
After all this time, why didn't you tell me? No. Guess we both weren't very honest, huh?
I know that saying I'm sorry isn't gonna cut it. But trust me when I say that I do love you. If I had known that my brother was just trying to get money, I never would have.
No, don't do that. It's not your fault. Come here. Let's go home.
Fucking believe this. What are you gonna bring home tomorrow? Cockroaches to fill the swimming pool?
Wait, Dad, before you say anything else, just let me explain.
I'm really beginning to believe you're mentally challenged, son.
Dad, she's the one who saved me in that accident. She deserves another chance.
Wow, you really are hopeless. You know what? I'm not giving you any more money. In fact, I don't want you going anywhere near any of our family businesses.
You know what, Dad? I don't need your money anymore. Because I'm taking back Greer Corp.
Oh, yeah? I'm dying to see that happen.
I'm so sorry. This is all my fault. How are you even gonna take it back?
You didn't think I had a plan?
I didn't think you had the balls to reach out again.
Yeah? Why wouldn't I? You know, you did tell me to come find you when I had concrete evidence, and well, now I do.
I'm too good of a con man. I stole your company from right under your nose.
Do something, Trevor!
It's too late. Cops are on the way. End of the line, asshole.
Trevor, no!
Amelia, hey.
Let's go. Hey, look at me. You're gonna be fine. Okay, just stay with me.
So someone help! Amelia? Hey. No.